Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video, let's do the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G smartphone. And guys, this has to be the most affordable 5G smartphone by Samsung. In fact, if you recall, Samsung actually has no 5G smartphone as of now in the mid-range. So this is the one they are launched now with the M series. And guys, as you can see on the box, nothing is printed. Regarding the specs, guys, this comes with the Snapdragon 750G SoC, which is actually a good thing. Also, it comes with the Super AMOLED screen. I'm happy about that. But the bummer is that the screen is just a HD plus, not a full HD. They should have gone with a full HD plus. I just wanted to make it very clear. But let's look at this. And guys, regarding the pricing, the base variant comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM. There's also one more variant that comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. We have the base variant that comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM. The retail price is 22,000, but it's available for 20,000. And if you add even what you say the credit card offers, it goes further down. I'll leave the link of Amazon India. It's sold in India by Amazon India. Anyways, let's open this up and have a look. So here we have this. So might be something paperwork or something. SIM ejector tool and some just paperwork, a warranty card and blah blah. So just keep that to the side for now. And regarding 5G, you might be asking, it's a 5G smartphone, they say. So what are the 5G bands that are supported? There are actually 4 5G bands that are supported. I'll list it over here. And again, the back is plastic, guys, that polycarbonate plastic, whatever they call. But it has this dual tone finish, I would say. Darker at the top and bottom we have that grayish tone. It has a quad camera setup. The main camera is actually that 48 megapixel, and front facing camera, I believe this one is having a 20 megapixel. Let's see what else do we get. So type A to type C cable, and this is just a normal charger. That's a 15-watt charger that we are getting in the box. So that's what we get. So guys, this is the handset, and if you look at the top, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone over here, and again that polycarbonate plastic body, guys. Volume rocker, power on off button. Bottom is the main speaker, your main microphone, your type C port. Thankfully a 3.5mm headphone jack we are getting, and this will be your SIM tray. Let's look at the configuration. And the thing is that, guys, both the variants, even if you get the 8 gigabyte RAM variant, that comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. So it's a hybrid solution that you are getting on this smartphone. Would have loved to see a triple slot, but this is what we are getting. So let me do one thing. Let me actually just power this on, and then we'll have a look at the same. So guys, I have set up this smartphone, so let's have a closer look at the same now. And guys, here are the specs for your reference. And as you can see, guys, this is having a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen. As I've told you, it's a 720p screen. One strange thing that I noticed is that if you go to the quick toggles over here, now you see NFC, Dolby Atmos and all this thing. By default, these were not here. Actually, I had to go here in the edit button and drag it down. The good thing is that this does have NFC. That means it also has Samsung Pay and even Knox security. So those are some things that are enabled on this smartphone. And I also got one OTA update the moment I set up the phone, so I had applied that. And now if you go to about the phone and if you go to software information, of course it's running on Android 11, as you can see, with One UI version 3.1 that you are getting. And if I go back, this is typical, what do you say, Samsung UI. And if we go to storage, let's look at the storage. I have installed only one app, speed test, because I wanted to test the Wi-Fi. But if you go to the storage, about it says 20% is already used, so 26 gigabytes is already used. So roughly you'll get about 102 gigabytes of space available to you. So that's what it is. And watch my video of the Samsung Galaxy M11, how you should set up these M series smartphones. So I have followed those steps over here, and this is what it is. And this one actually comes with this in-display fingerprint scanner. As you can see, here we have, you can set up always on and all those things, but this is what we have. Regarding the speakers, let's test it. Let's just fire up one of my own videos. Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this so it's a single speaker here at the bottom, but it's adequately loud as you saw that, guys. Now moving to the processor, they have used the Snapdragon 750G, and that's actually a good thing. This processor is octa-core based on 8 nanometer process, and though this one has that 5000 milliamp hour battery, it should give actually pretty good battery life. Now if we talk about the camera, as you can see, we have that quad camera setup. The main camera is a 48 megapixel, then we have that 8 megapixel, that's ultra wide. Then we have again two more cameras, one is for macro, one is for depth, both are 5 megapixel. So let's have a look at the camera interface. And this is the front facing camera. Let's just go to the rear, and if you notice here, this is the regular and this is ultra wide. Ultra wide, as you notice, is pretty wide. And if you go over here, I also like the fact that we have the single take, guys, on this one. Generally Samsung used to put this only on their higher end phones. So if you just move around, and as you can see, this timer is going on like this, it takes multiple shots, multiple angles and stuff. The single take is there, and we have the regular photo, video, portrait, and the other stuff like pro, macro mode are over here. And front facing, if I look at this, if you notice this is regular, and you click this, actually you can go a little bit wider also, so I like that. So let me actually show you some sample shots that I've taken with this smartphone. These were shot with the 48 megapixel rear facing camera in outdoor lighting conditions, and here, as you can see, it is doing a pretty good job. This was the regular shot, and this was that ultra wide. One more example, regular, and this was that ultra wide. Now moving to human subjects, even the skin tones were produced good, and this was in the portrait mode, this was in the regular mode, and this was again in the portrait mode. In the evening it became cloudy and it was raining, overcast. These were shot with the front-facing camera in indoor conditions, and these were shot in my office in completely artificial lighting. Regular shot, this was that wide angle. One more example, regular shot, and the wide angle. The wide angle is actually pretty wide if you notice, and these are some of the samples taken in artificial lighting in the office. Shooting with this video with the front-facing camera of this Galaxy M42 5G smartphone. And guys, as you can see, I'm just walking around, and the audio is also being recorded via its internal microphone. So this should give you an idea about the quality of the front-facing camera. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G smartphone. So what do you guys think about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now for this video, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.